Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Singularity. First, understand his core power, biopods. You can deploy up to 8 of these on vertical surfaces. Use them to scan for survivors and apply the temporal slipstream status effect. This infection can spread to other survivors if they are close. Once a survivor is slipstreamed, you can instantly teleport to their location, which then activates your powerful overclock mode for a short duration. Effective biopod placement is crucial. Aim for high vantage points overlooking generators and key looping areas. When you spot a survivor, tag them with your biopod or gun to apply slipstream. This allows you to teleport directly to them, gaining an immediate advantage in chase. Remember, survivors can counter your power by finding and using EMPs, which remove slipstream and disable your biopods for about 45 seconds within a 10-meter radius. After teleporting to a slipstream survivor, you enter overclock mode for approximately 5.7 seconds. This state makes you 3% faster and allows you to break pallets and vault windows 75% quicker. If a survivor drops a pallet on you during overclock, it will instantly break, and you'll only be briefly hindered, not stunned. Additionally, when you're viewing through a biopod, your terror radius and red stain disappear, making you undetectable for sneaky plays. To enhance your gameplay, consider powerful perks and add-ons. Corrupt Intervention helps establish early map control by blocking generators. Pop Goes the Weasel and Deadlock are excellent for slowing down generator progress. For add-ons, Denied Requisition Form is fantastic, as all survivors begin slipstreamed, and EMPs take 30 seconds longer to print. The Diagnostic Tool is also a strong choice, extending your biopod targeting range by 4 meters, making it easier to tag distant survivors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.